Good evening, this is Jan. And tonight I'm gonna do a little bit of a review. Sometimes I do that. This is gonna be about ready-made Chinese noodles and beer. These are the noodles. It's from the brand Oriental Delight. It's noodles in a Chinese way, they call it on the label, with chicken cubes, vegetables and egg. It looks very decent. And this is the beer. It's Palm from Belgium. Well, this is a classic one. It's not a Pilsner. It's what they call an amber ale. First up for review, it's the beer. Well, you guys just look at this color. It's beautiful. This is what they call amber colored. It's not that I taste this for the first time. I know this beer for 20 years, 30 years already. But it is worth reviewing. Yeah, this is truly a classic one, an old school one. And there's malt in there, there are some hops. There's lots of fruitiness from these kind of special hops. You could taste a little bit of honey. You can taste some, yeah, what kind of fruit? A little bit subtropical, tropical, banana maybe. Nice, always good, this one. And then my noodles in the microwave. In the meantime, while my food is in the microwave, I'm gonna do a little bit of extra reviewing this palm beer. It's got lots of freshness. Really, it's quite dry. Yeah, that's what it is. And it's extremely creamy. Very mild in taste. Yeah, this is truly a classic one. And this is what it looks like when it's ready out of the microwave. Well, this looks very delicious. I got my chopsticks. First I'm going to try this plain, just to get to know the flavor. Tastes okay, but this definitely needs some extra flavoring, some sauce. These sauces are, of course, Ketjap, Asin, Indonesian soy sauce, the salty version, because that's what I like. So I pour quite a lot. Maybe it's too much, maybe not. So let's stir this up. I love this with Indonesian food, with nasi, rice, bami, which are technically noodles, like this. I mean, this looks different. These are more thin noodles. Yeah, really the more Chinese stuff. Well, bami is actually also Chinese, if I recall correctly. Yeah, it's Chinese, brought to Indonesia, among some other places. Plus, my other sauce is Sambal ulek, also Indonesian. Spicy red pepper sauce. I'm gonna put this on the side. I'm gonna use some of this whenever I need it with a bite. And then it looks like this. Not very different from before, but definitely with some sauces. Extra flavor. Oh yeah. That salty ketchup. I simply love that soy flavor on my noodles, on my bami. Oh yeah, and then with a little bit of sambal. Yeah, oh yeah, I can feel the heat in my throat, on my tongue a little. That spicy red pepper flavor, which is good. Definitely need some more, and I'm gonna put some more sambal in there later on, because this is not enough for me. Right. That heat, that is nice, that's good. Right, here I got a chicken cube. Nothing special, but quite okay, tender meat. Some vegetables in there. I think that's leek. Looks like, tastes like leek. Lots of sambal in this bite. This one too. Lovely, these sauces, these seasonings. That is good. Must not forget about my beer. Of course, I never forget about the beer, but anyway. I want to taste how the match is between the food and the beer. Because it's very mild, it tempers the spiciness of the food. So yeah, this is a match Belgian amber ale with spicy Chinese noodles. And some more sambal. Quite a lot. By the way, I learned to eat with chopsticks when I was in San Francisco, of all places, yeah, in the US. Long time ago, about 20 years ago or something, because there's a large Chinatown and Japantown and Koreatown as well, and yeah, they eat there with chopsticks. And then later on, I would go to China on holiday. And there you don't get no fork or knife or spoon. Well, spoon, yeah, but no fork and knife. You only get chopsticks. So that's where I learned to eat with these, well, this stuff. Now I must admit, I will never be as good with chopsticks as natives of China or Vietnam or whatever Eastern or Southeastern Asian country. You see like this, yeah. But I manage. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.